In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to request a refund for a Snapchat Plus or Memories Plus subscription. Let's get started. To request a refund for Snapchat Plus or Memories Plus subscription, you must submit the request directly to the platform where you purchase it. If you're using iOS device, Apple handles all billing for purchases made through the iOS App Store. So navigate to the portal, Apple report a problem. Sign in using the Apple ID associated with the subscription. Tap the drop-down box under What Can We Help You With and choose Request a Refund. Select the specific reason for your request. Find Snapchat Plus or Memories Plus in your purchase history. Select it and click Submit. If you are using Android device, Google manages subscription billing. On a device or computer, open the Google Play account portal, select the Payments and Subscriptions tab, then click on Budget and Order History. Scroll to your Snapchat Plus or Memories Plus order and click Report a Problem. Select the option that best matches your situation. Fill out the form, explicitly state that you would like a refund and click Submit. And that's it. By following these steps, you can request a refund for a Snapchat Plus or Memories Plus subscription. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.